Let's go back now to Mpumalanga, where the 19-year-old man was arrested for the murder of a family member. Is expected to appear in the Kabokweni Magistrates Court. The man is accused of killing his 14-year-old cousin, Zintle Segwape. Her body was found in a pit toilet at her home at the weekend, and she was last seen by her family on Wednesday. Sphephile Kunene is live for us in Mbombela. Sphephile, very good morning to you. Talk to us firstly about this link, and how was this family member linked to this crime?
We're coming to you live from Kabokweni Magistrates Court in Mbombela, whereby we are expecting Zintle's cousin to appear for suspicions that he was part of this killing that led to Zintle being found in a pit latrine. Basically, what we know for now, and it still has to be verified elsewhere, is that the family found out that their daughter was in the toilet on Saturday. And on that Saturday, everyone was called in, and everyone who's around the victim was questioned until police could lay their hands on the cousin in question, the 19-year-old, that's supposed to appear today in court here. And what we also learned was that these children were living on their own in that house, and the elders live elsewhere. So it took time for everyone to come to terms and sort of like start searching for this missing person. By Wednesday, already it was known that Zintle was missing. This suspect was supposed to appear in court yesterday, but because police still had a lot of questions to ask, because apparently he let it slip that he wasn't the only one who was involved in this, and his responsibility in this whole scenario was to drag the dead person. And after that, these people, we are told that they are not of South African nationals. They wanted to do some fraudulent work. Apparently, there's two relatives that have passed on in that home, and they were working for the government. Therefore, there was supposed to be money that comes out that will be given to them. So there are these fraudsters that were using this cousin. And Zintle was supposed to be a person that is kidnapped, and the family was supposed to give ransom.
Disturbing details indeed, Sphephile. Talk to us about the reaction from not only the family, which I assume that they are distraught at this moment, but the community at large with regards to this latest developments.
The family is shocked. They're still in shock even now. We spoke to them yesterday. They actually said this is shocking. They are confused. They don't know why one of them could be a suspect in such a crime. And again, they want the law to take its course around this thing, because it is not fathomable to them. They don't understand. And then the community around is planning to do a march tomorrow at which they want to raise awareness, and they want justice for this child, the 14-year-old that was found in the toilet.
What are prosecutors saying? What are police saying with regards to this case? Do they say that they have a strong case in this regard?
At the moment, because the court hasn't set as yet, it is still to sit. What we know is the communication that we got from the police from Monday until yesterday, that they still have to pose more questions. They still have to do more investigations to this case. They still need more time with the suspect so as to establish exactly what took place, what happened, and who are these other suspects that he says he was working with them. Because apparently he mentioned 3 people, that he was working with other 3 people, but he didn't point them out. Now, when the case was held back yesterday, it was for the police to find out exactly what happened, exactly who are these other accomplices.
Sphephile, talk to us about funeral arrangements. When will Zintle be buried?
We are not sure yet because the family has 2 days in mind. They don't bury on a Saturday. So they told us yesterday that it's either they bury him on Friday or on Sunday. Those are the 2 days they have in mind. You'll remember, Blaine, that when this story emerged, there was also some kind of ideology that was put forward that she was lesbian, so she might have been killed for that. Police also wanted to find out if there's any relation to that. The Department of Social Department visited the family yesterday, and they said that girls are supposed to be protected more under these times, under these circumstances, because the kidnapping is new. It's a new concept. Yes, women in that area are facing a danger of being killed, but the kidnapping part was not there. So yesterday it was also the creation of awareness.
Right. Sphephile Kunene, live for us from Mpumalanga. Thank you very much indeed for your reporting. Let's just remind you about our question of the day, and it has to deal with gender-based violence. We heard yesterday the Police Minister, Bekele, talking about the various hotspots in South Africa, and also talking about these areas that have been identified. There should be a permanent desk that deals with GBV issues. And in fact, it should be the norm in all police stations. He went on to say, proactive measures. What else can be done in terms of proactive measures in order to put paid to gender-based violence, as well as human trafficking, another topical issue as well? Please send us your thoughts at the agenda_SABC.